right, so how'd y'all do the next one?
I
put second next to
99 and I got 9.94.
And then I did 28 divided by 3.
And I got 9.33.
So the 99 is bigger.
So the 99.
Okay. What about your next one?
I put second
X
squared.
And
I got 7.07.
And then I did 15 divided by 2.
7.5 and the 7.5
I'm
is greater than.
So 15
Okay, hold
is
on.
bigger.
We got one that's confused, gentlemen.
Who's confused?
Uh-oh.
All right, so how about just one of y'all explain that real quick?
Like, I got it. I
got
just
it.
was hearing, like, everything at once. I was hearing everything.
So Steven, talk us through it.
So to find that little, the 50, you put second, and then x squared. And then you put enter, and then you put c, you get 7.07. And then the other one, you divide 15 from 2,
Okay.
and then you should get 7.5.
All right.
And 7.5 is better than 7.
All right, what about number 4? What'd y'all do first?
Divided 39
I
by
did
8.
39 divided by 8.
Okay. What'd y'all get?
I got 4.
1.87.
Yeah, that. I rounded up to 9.
You don't round to 9.
I just wanted to do 2 places just in case. All right, and then what'd y'all do? Did y'all just leave it like that and then ordered?
No, I did the square root of 16.
I think 16 is equal to 4.
Okay. Now, it says least to greatest. So which one was first?
Square root of 16.
And then what?
And then
4.6.
And then 4.2.
39
And then
over
39 over 8.
All right, so please notice that I kept, and that some of your classmates as well, kept the 39 over 8. They didn't just try to put 4.9 or 4.88. Please make sure the original one is put back in. Behave. All right, now what's on the next one? What'd y'all do?
I did the square root of 80.
Okay, and what'd you get? Bless you.
8.9.
Yeah, I did 19 divided by 2, which gave me 9.5.
And then the 80 goes.
So square root of 80, 9.4, and 19 over 2.
How's everybody doing?
Good.
Okay, because a lot of your tests, guys, this is your readiness standard. So when it comes to STAR, your readiness standards are always tested 2 times as many as your supporting standard. All right, and the last one, y'all, what'd you do?
Square root of 15.
I did square root of 15 and got 3.87.
I divided
Okay, hold on. Square root of 15 is what?
3.87.
It's
I did 13
10
by
squared.
I got her repeating this one. So I just did
3.16.
It's 14.
digits.
It's 4.3.
So I did the 2 digits and then the repeating.
Yeah, it's 4.3.
Okay, do I have all those right? Make sure I heard it, y'all. All right, so which one's first?
3.16.
So square root of 10.
And then 3.5, and then square root of 8.
The 13 over
And then 13 divided by 3.
All righty. Now, see, look at that. I barely had to do any talking at all. This is great.
We're so smart.
Y'all are smart. And you guys put in a lot of effort, which I appreciate.
No problem.
Did I miss anybody who was talking this entire time? I was to say, I know I got you.
I know how to play.
Okay.
I'm not going to stop, bro.
All right, so we were on 34 yesterday, so today we're going to be on 35. Now, this is very similar to what y'all were just doing. So, who remembers what descending order is?
Oh, I know.
All right, Brogan.
It means you're going down. Like, in just value.
Yep, so if you can remember it's going down and you can remember that greatest to least
Or-
goes like that,
Hot to cold.
hot to cold.
Then
It will work. And I am going to give y'all a lot of chances to answer questions, so definitely raise your hand because I'm going to try to call on at least everybody who raises their hand. All right, so who would like to explain number 6? Kason, I saw your hand up first.
So,
Talk loud for everybody else to hear too.
okay. So for 121 square root, you gotta put that in the calculator and you get you get 11.
Okay. And if you are talking right now, you are missing Kason talking you through this lesson.
And then you press second and then a caret on your calculator.
Okay.
And then times 2.
Okay, are you going to multiply by 2 or are you going to x squared it?
X squared root.
So second caret, and then don't forget to push the x squared button. All right, and what do you get?
6 point,
You multiply by 2.
how?
Okay, here. We're actually going to delete this out. So, guys, there's a delete button right next to your stuff. If you push the DEL, you can actually just delete 1. Let's push x squared. Not telling me what that answer is.
It's 9.86.
It's probably going to be 8.7.
Yeah,
It didn't work for
9.87.
me, Miss Garrett.
All right, so keep going, Kason.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, you can even like. Look.
11.40
Okay.
or 11.4, and then you have to put it from greatest to least.
Okay. And which one is the greatest?
The greatest is square root of 130,
Okay.
and then the next one is 11.1,
Okay.
and then the next one is square root of 121,
Okay.
and then the last one is the
Pi squared.
pi squared.
Alrighty, so for those of you who couldn't figure out the delete thing, you actually have to go on to whatever it is you're trying to delete, and then you can delete it.
How do you do the pi thing?
So if you look, second, and then the caret key. The one that's right below the clear. And guys, when you do, like if you're explaining something, definitely tell us how you did like the keys to make it easier. All right, who wants to do number 7? Landon, go for it.
You gotta do 6.5 divided by 100
Okay, why am I doing divided by 100?
because you have to multiply by 100 to get to a fraction from a decimal.
From a fraction to a decimal or a decimal to a percent?
A decimal to a percent. Sorry.
Okay. So 6.5 divided by 100. And we get,
0.065.
okay, keep us going.
You do 2 divided by 3,
Okay,
and you get 0.6 repeating.
okay,
And you gotta do 1 divided by 2, and
Okay.
you get a half. Wait. Yeah, a half.
0.5.
Yes,
Okay. And we're increasing order. So what order is that?
Smallest to
Ascending.
greatest. Ascending.
Ascending. Nice use of the word. All right. So what order we got here?
6.5% is first. next would be 0.5%. I mean, just a half.
There you go. 1/2. And if it helps, actually underline what the digits are you're looking at to help you.
And then it'd be 0.65. And then 2/3.
Nice job. Has everybody got this? All right, who would like to do number 8? Cadence? Why not? You can do it.
No, I can't.
I believe you can.
I'll try it.
Hold on, give Cadence a shot.
Bro, y'all just finna laugh me out.
No, they're not. They're going to be supportive because that's what we do with our social. Because we are an awesome sauce class, and we are going to support each other because we are just that awesome sauce.
So, can number one stay like that?
You got it.
Okay. So then, the second one is
You're doing great.
25, and do like divide that by 100.
Okay, so what is your stuff? We have a negative square root. So we're going to put it in exact like you see it. So right below your 3 is the negative.
Okay.
And then how do we get an x squared? Do you remember?
Second y equals.
Okay, it's not second y equals, but you're getting close.
Second and enter, right? Enter.
All right, so did you put second? Now, do you see a blue that looks like this symbol right here, that little radical symbol? See one in blue. See it right there?
Oh, there we go.
So second, x squared.
25 and enter, and it's -5.
Okay, doing great.
And then
So we're going to do a decimal, so -5. Now what's 1 divided by 5? That'll give us our decimal.
0.2.
Okay,
And then 11.
so we're going to put it as -5.2 because don't forget that -5's attached. All right, and then -11 divided by 2 is? Right below 3.
5.5.
Very nice job. Now, how are we ordering this? And if you have enough time to chit-chat over there, you guys have plenty of time to do some of the rest of these. That way you can get an answer from you immediately. How are we ordering it? What does it tell us?
Oh, least to greatest.
So
ascending.
least to greatest, and nice use of the vocabulary, ascending. So if I'm ordering negatives, the bigger one is the what?
The smallest.
Okay, so which one looks the biggest?
So 5.025 is the least.
So -11/2. Keep going, you're doing great.
And then it would be -5.5, which is 11/2.
That's what you already gave me.
Oh, right.
You're good. Keep going. And that helps. I underlined your nice little decimals. That way you can look at those next. So which one's the biggest decimal after the 5?
5.025, which is...
Okay, 0. Does it look bigger than the 2?
Oh, right. So 5.2.
Okay, so -5 and 1/5. Yes, ma'am.
And then it would be, then it's -5.
Okay. And then what's your last one?
-5.
So negative square root of 25. Good job.
Thank you.
And see, you're worried. And you did great. All right. Number 9. Brogan, you want to do it?
I already did it.
Fabulous. What do you got for numbers? What'd you do?
For 43%, I got 0.43.
Okay, how'd you do that?
I divided it by 100.
square root of 26.
Where at?
On the last one that we put, it says 25, but I think mine. Never mind.
Okay.
Oh, wrong one.
You're good. You're good. I was like, I didn't see a 26, but okay. All right, keep going.
And then for 2 over 5, I got 0.4 because I divided 2 by 5.
Okay.
And then I did the same thing for 3 over 7 and got 0.42. And then it's 4.2 repeating.
So 0.42 you said?
Yes.
And then 0.42 with the 2 repeating. All right, and how are we doing this?
The first one is 2 over 5.
Okay.
And then
So how'd you order it? What does ascending
ascending,
mean?
Getting bigger.
Okay. Okay, keep going.
And then it's 3 over 7.
Very nice.
And then 43%.
Ooh, not quite.
Oh.
So remember, look at your
Well,
last
yeah,
digit.
I got confused on the repeating.
So just because it repeats doesn't mean that digit that I just underlined changes. So I'm actually really glad that you were like a little confused there. That way I could explain that because your decimal placement does not ever change. So like your 2 will always stay there. Just because I have more 2's at the end doesn't affect or change that 2 is more or less than 3.
But if it was like 5s, it would go up.
No, because what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and look at where it is. You don't round these when you're trying to order them.
Yeah, but like, never mind.
I see what you're saying. So you're saying, what if it was like 0.55 repeated forever
Yeah.
versus like 0.67, 0.54,
Yeah.
or
So the first 5 wouldn't go up?
0.56?
First 5 wouldn't go up?
No, because when you're ordering, if you're doing least to greatest, so it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. Because you're only looking at this first digit, and then you start looking at these digits.
Okay.
Wait.
And then that's how you would order it. So if I'm doing least to greatest here, my least one would be 4. Oop. And here I am
Even
trying to...
5 is smaller?
Yeah. So I'm gonna fair warn y'all, I'm tired today. And thank you, Logan, because you went, wait, and I went, yeah.
It's broken.
Brogan, my bad. I'm telling you, I'm tired. I only got like less than 5 hours of sleep. So today is a great day to catch me on errors, as you guys can see. You are today. All right, so what we got?
How many tickets do you have? We should give all of our tickets to Mom. Yeah, that's too bad.
All right, so we good with 4-2 repeating and 43%?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody else want to do number 10? That way y'all can put me out of my misery. Kason, I saw your hand up first. And then Tristan, if you'd like, you can do number 11. Why not?
I haven't done it yet.
Well, then do it while he's doing this, because I'm pretty sure you're done with that one, right? All right, Kason, talk us through it.
Okay, so 5.5 can turn into 5.5
Okay.
because 1.5 is like, and then the square root of 26
Yes, 26.
is is 5.1.
I'll give you 2.
5.1?
5.11.
Okay. I'll go up a little bit. All right.
And then 5.8 is 5.8.
Okay.
And then 31 over 5, you do 31 divided by 5, which is 6.2.
Okay.
And ascending means, decreasing means greatest to least. So
Okay.
the greatest is 31 over 5. And then The next one is 5.8,
Okay.
and then the next one is 5.5.
Okay.
Then the next one is square root of 26.
Y'all good with that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Tristan,
Okay.
your turn.
So, on, you got this. I believe in you. I divided 28 by 3
Okay.
and got 9.3 repeating.
Okay.
And I added the negative. It's negative.
Yep.
And I pressed second x squared and put 64 and got negative 8. 7.9 is just 7.9.
Okay.
And I divided 6 divided by 7 and got 0.85 and bring down to 8.
Okay. All great.
Descending,
And then how are you doing your ordering?
descending. And I put 7.9 and negative. Wait,
No, you're doing great.
no.
Because negatives work opposite, remember? So we're looking for our smallest number to our looking like our biggest number.
So negative 7.9 and negative 8, and then negative 8.85 and negative 9.3 repeating.
And fantastic. And I went ahead and put it into
Miss Garrett,
original form. Yes, sir. Did we mess up?
why is the 8 not before 8.85?
So, good question. Y'all got that? Y'all want to answer that?
I want to answer it.
Angel, you want to?
Because there's a decimal and it has an extra 8
Oh, yeah, but it's, the 8's smaller, right?
But it's
No.
negative, bro. Usually the opposite. They work oppositely.
So is 0 smaller looking than 8?
Yes.
Yes.
Wait, what was the question?
Is the 0 smaller looking than 8?
Yes.
So that's the reason why 8 is in front of it, because 0 is going to be closer to
0.
the actual counting number of 8, rather than negative 8.8 is going to be closer to the negative counting number of 9.
I think I get it.
So basically, remember, you're looking for the one that looks the smallest. So if I was ordering it, if I take off all the negatives and order it from least to greatest, the 8.0 would be smaller than 8.85, right?
Yes.
That's the reason why on the negative side it's bigger.
Oh, okay.
Now we got it.
I got it.
All right. Anybody want to do number 12? Jason does again.
Yay.
Hold on. DK does. And DK hasn't had a chance yet. Right below 3. So what y'all are not getting to see over here is Steven over here is helping out his desk mate
Hey, Steven.
with his lovely stuff since DK hasn't been here. All right, walk us through it, kiddo.
For like negative 48, I got 6.92.
Okay.
Negative 8.06.
Negative 8.06. If that's your cell phone, please turn it off. It should not be on anyway. Is that you? Goodness gracious, kiddo, turn it off. All right, what about negative 22 over 30? See if my math's right here.
I could put a fraction in the calculator.
It's a lot easier just to go ahead and do like negative 22 divided by 3. Since you're trying to get a decimal anyway. Calculator. It's a whole lot easier. So negative, do your negative first. And then 22 divided by 3.
Negative 7.33 repeat.
Very nice. And how are we ordering this?
Least to greatest.
Yep, least to greatest because it goes up into the air, ascending. All right, so which one's your biggest looking negative?
Biggest is 7 point.
Hold on, y'all. Shush.
8.06.
Yeah, I like your answer better than a 7. All right, what's your next one?
Negative 7.50.
Okay,
Negative 7.33.
okay.
And negative 6.93.
Very nice. Does anybody have any questions on this?
No, ma'am.
So most of your classmates actually did all the talking here.
I had some talking.
You did a little. All right, so now you've got your exit, which is on the next page over.
What if we fail it?
You can't fail it.
Well,
It's an exit ticket.
then we will know what you need to study.
What's an exit ticket?
Well, what if I
A
don't?
ticket of exit.
So this will let you know roughly what you need to study more for, because remember, you guys do have a test here in the next few days.
I have to do this.
Yes, yes.
You have to do this for real.
Now, once you are finished, because you do have roughly about 12 minutes left in class, once you are finished, if your name's on the board for anything, you are welcome to get a computer and work on your stuff.
Wait, where's my water bottle? Oh,
Answers.
Exit test.